Okay, I don't know how this setup is going to work. No idea how this setup is going to work. It might fail miserably. My phone might fall off here. Anyway, I'm going to try to do some makeup. For making faces, this book is like 20 years old. I kid you not. When was it printed? Let's see. Oh, copyright 1997. So, yeah. So, there we go. Blushes. It has everything about blushes, finishing touches, you know, colors, eyes, eyelashes, eyeliner. We're going to start, though, with eyes. Hi! I don't want to touch my phone and wave. We're going to try. If I knock this phone down, I have it very precariously set up. Now, here's the thing that I found interesting. Kevyn used sponge applicators, so I don't know how that's going to work. He also advocated removing your contact lenses. I don't have those. Hail LASIK. Hail LASIK. So I also have limited freaking space in my room here, in my thing. So I need concealer, face powder. I have that. And I have all this stuff. So, notice. So, he was an advocate of leaving powder under the eyes, which I have. Put some powder under the eyes and to do it with a sponge so that you can brush it away. Now, I am a firm believer, and he even says in his book, there are no rules. Notice I also am not kicking around in my sweatpants. This is going to be the best thing for your mental health when you're locked up. Don't live in your sweatpants 24/7. Like, actually, I have a dress on right now. So we're going to do that. Black eyeliner pencil to upper and lower eye area. So I have all my blacks and browns are in this Ipsy bag. Let's see which one we pull out. We're going to pull out the Marc Jacobs. I like that one. It's one of my favorites. If you see me looking over here, it's because the mirror is there. So we're going to go into the eye here. Into the lash line. Okay. Then it says, smudge it gently into lashes, which I did. Smudge it a little more on the side. Okay. Then use a sponge tip applicator or a shadow brush to blend the pencil into a smoky circle around the eye. I'm going to use this fine tipped brush here. Smudge. I think I did a good job smudging there. I think I did a good job. Okay. First, using the eye shadow applicator, softly retrace the penciled area from lashes outward with black eyeshadow, which I should have no problem having. These are on my palettes. I think we're going to use the black from the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think we'll use that. So, eyeshadow applicator, boom. Softly retrace. Lashes outward, smoke up. Use as little as possible. I think we've smoked that one. Hey, I see you. We're gonna smoke that out. Okay. Next, using the eyeshadow brush, arc into the crease, under and softly outward from the corner. So, into the crease, softly and outwardly. In the corner. Okay. Use a beige. I'll put a little under. There we go. Then take a more round brush, which I'm sure I have in here. I really should take this downtime to organize my brushes. I mean, I have them all. It's just, hey. Then it says use a beige powder to highlight the brow bone and so let's see if I have a beige that I like. I think this is a little too brown from the same palette. So we're gonna see what else there. I think we're gonna use this one right here. That's a beige to highlight the brow bone and eyelid. There we go. That even might be a little too dark. Lighten out a little bit. A little light on there. Lighten out a little. Here we go. Okay, put those back in there. We sweep a little bit down the side of the nose and under the eye. Okay, then I'm gonna curl the lashes, which I can't find my curler. That has been a thing. I packed my curler somewhere when I went to Australia and I cannot find it again. So luckily I have my backup curler. Oh, We're going to see how close. I am not a master. I am just a model that plays in makeup. I never claimed to be more than a beauty unboxer. But, oh, I do like roller lashes, one of my favorite. Now here's the thing, I like to do my foundation after my eyes, which is not discussed in here because he really only used a little concealer. However, there are no rules. That's the first thing that's in his book. So, take a there we go. That's going to get rid of the excess powder. Whew. Okay, that's the excess powder. Then you take just a little concealer, which was his thing. I am taking a little bit of foundation. He also was a firm believer in using his fingers. I, though, like sponges for my concealer. But he was big on, like, using that fourth finger. And then just using blender sponges, not even because they didn't have blenders, really, to do whatever. Where is my foundation? I'm just going to take a little foundation. Very little. And blend it in. Cover up the... I've got like a huge blemish that is like forming right here. And I was like, well, the good news is no one will really see it. Okay. So there's that. Eyebrows, we're just gonna color them in with some gel. That isn't on this page. Eyebrows are another page. Okay, and then it said, finally, fill the mouth using a lip brush with a neutral color. No pencil outline because his model's Julia Roberts on this, so she didn't really even need that. And a apricot blush. I don't think I have like an apricot blush. Actually, I do. I do have a kind of apricot. It's a liquid. And then we'll smudge it out. There we go. That is kind of apricot. There we go. And a neutral lip color, which I actually have right here. It's kind of neutral. Kind of neutral. Okay. Any finishing touches? I think I need a little more right in there. Okay, so there we go. How we feeling? Do I look like Julia Roberts? There we go. There we go. So I just did the eyes page. So I got a lot in here. So we can do this for days, I'm guessing. So there's that. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.